What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of FS Skiing. Today, as you just are gonna see, is we were at Nordic Mountain. This is future Damon. So, and I guess I did film an intro and then it just never showed up. So this is me in the future saying an intro because I can't find the intro. But I hope you like today's video because I had a blast. But you'll notice a lot of the features are very advanced. There's nothing really in the middle. It's all beginner or advanced stuff. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and let's go see it.
When you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone. Everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
Alright, my bad. I guess I never filmed an outro. It's like 7, 8 or something in the morning, and I'm trying to get school done so I can go to Colorado. So next videos are most likely going to be from Colorado. I'm going like today, but this will probably be posted Friday, so tomorrow. So hope you liked today's video. It was pretty crazy. All the features were pretty advanced, and there weren't like a ton, so it was like hard to like do tricks. It was just like more just riding in general, but sick day to just take a break from Cascade. So hope you liked today's video. Go subscribe, go comment where your local hill is, and also go like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.